Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to this window of Twitter. After that we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.